Hi! In today's video, I'm going to tell something about songs management in MW21. In the previous video, I showed you how to install MW21 and how to download some example song with special script. We ran a special script named exampletracks.sh. This script created your first collection of songs. In MW21, all songs are organized into collections. This first collection is named Example. The structure of each collection is the same. A subdirectory called bank_tree. Inside bank_tree, there are 4 subdirectories which are keeping delay files, MIDI files, text files, and audio files. You can manage songs in collection by using special program called MW21 Manager, or in short, Manager. To run Manager, you simply click the purple launcher with pencil icon. Once Manager is started, you pick the right collection from the drop-down list. When collection is chosen, the list of songs in collection shows up. Manager shows you status of each component of the song: delay file, MIDI file, text file, and audio file. For historical reasons, the title of each song in MW21 is limited to only ASCII alphanumerics without spaces, with mandatory suffix _K3Y, followed by 2 or 3 digits. This way, you can label your song's versions and easily distinguish MW21 song from other files. To choose particular collection, you need to use the script called collection MW21. You start the script by clicking another launcher being present on your desktop. It has red color. This script lists all available collections and asks you to provide a number of the collection you want to choose. Currently, we have only one collection titled Example, so we have only one option to choose: item number 0. Collections are stored in the Collections directory. Now I will show you how to create another collection. We will do it simply by copy-paste the example directory. Let's give a name to the new collection: My Collection. When copy is done, we start the manager again. In the drop-down list, there are now 2 collections available. The original example collection is still there, having just 1 song. Next to example, there is new collection named My Collection. It has also 1 song, because it is a copy. The structure of the My Collection is exactly the same as the original example. Now we are going to delete the song from My Collection. It is enough to click the checkbox and click Delete Selected button in the right bottom of the Manager window. As you can see in the left window, all files of the song have disappeared from the disk. Files of the example collection remain untouched. Let's go back to the My Collection. There is no single song now. Our next step is to import song to the My Collection. I mentioned that in the previous video we have run exampletracks.sh script. Among other things, this script has downloaded and extracted something into directory named tapes. The tapes directory is present in your main MW21 directory. Inside this tapes directory, there is a file named MW21intro_K3Y01.tar. This file represents the example song. This is an archive containing all components of the example song: delay file, MIDI file, text file, and an audio file. The name of directory tapes is chosen on purpose. The .tar archive name stands for tape archive, so you can imagine your song as something recorded on the tape. MW21 Manager supports also compressed formats like tar.gz or tar.bz2. However, compressing audio files doesn't save too much space on the disk, and there is no special benefit. In our example, we use regular .tar format. Our next step is to import such a tar file to our new empty collection. As you can see, there are no files in my collection subdirectories. So let's launch the manager and choose my collection. There is no single song. Now, we click the tar button in the top and select the tar archive by using the files browser. Import it by clicking Open or double-clicking the desired file. You can also import few archives at once by clicking them when holding down the left Ctrl or Shift on your keyboard. At the first glance, files don't show up on the disk, but after reloading, they appear. It's just a matter of the file browser. Again, in the manager, we can delete the song and import it from the archive. Now let's open the archive and take a closer look on it. We go to the tapes directory. As you can see, there is nothing unusual in the structure of the archive. It's just the name following this special convention. Only ASCII alphanumerics with suffix underscore K3Y digit digit. Component files follow the same naming convention. At this moment, MW21 is configured to use the example collection. Now we will choose the new collection by launching the script with the red icon on the desktop. We choose the item number 1 and press Enter. It's time to run MW21. Open Virtual Keyboard and set correct octave. Load the song and play it. Now let's do a test. Let's remove the song from the collection and try to load and play it. Because the files are missing on the disk, MW21 shows suitable message about missing text. We cannot load the song and we cannot play it. Let's try to rescan the collection and see if anything changed. Still, we cannot load it and we cannot play it. So, we import the tar archive again and rescan the collection. Without rescanning, new songs cannot be loaded. Rescan is necessary after each modification done to the collection. Instead of clicking rescan, you can simply restart the whole MW21. Now, it's possible to load and play the imported song as usual. Now I am going to show you an alternative way to download the tar archive without the script, simply by using your web browser. We will download it from the GitHub page. Start your browser and in the address bar type the URL github.com/mk1037 example tracks for MW21, as you can see in the video. Now, follow the clicks as you can see. Left-click the archive file and right-click on the View Row link. Select option Save Link As and download the tar file. You will find it in your Downloads directory. Similarly, we can add another song from another GitHub project named MW Text. You will find there a song which is simply a drum track, a rhythm. Again, github.com/mk1037 MW Text. Follow the clicks that you see and download the tar file. Tar file will show up again in your Downloads directory. To import, follow the same routine. Open Manager, select Collection, import tar, and rescan. Now load and play your second song in the new collection. Thanks for watching.